Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just picked up a new part for the 2024 Honda CR-V that comes in very useful. It'll add some security to your vehicle as well. And it's just a plug and play type of accessory. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what I just picked up for this car. So this is from a company called Nilight. I featured some of their products before. So what this is, it's the cargo cover for the rear. And I know Honda makes one, but this one does the same job. Definitely cheaper than the Honda OEM one and fits right in the OEM spots as well. Let me go ahead and get it opened up and I'll show exactly what it looks like. So here it is. This is, like I said, it's so easy. There's no tools required. It just pops right into the existing cutouts for it in the cargo area. It'll add some security. Like I said, if you guys haul packages or whatever, if you go on trips, you want to kind of cover your cargo so people can't look in the rear windows, see what you got. This simply slides over, locks in the OEM spots, and then unrolls as well. It's a really nice, high quality construction here. Has a nice finish. And it just simply rolls out and then it rolls back in. And like I said, the best part is it uses all the OEM spots. So it just pops in just like the Honda one would, which is nice. Like I said, and then if you need to utilize more space, I've always liked these. And for a while, they're coming stock on a lot of vehicles. But now, of course, with all the cost cutting, they make you pay more for it as an accessory. But there's options like this that'll save you some money. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how it fits in the CR-V here. Okay guys, so very basic here. Like I said, there's cutouts already. It just goes in the left side and then the right side's on a spring. So then you pull back and then it sits in this groove. That's factory. And then it just pops right in, locks in place. Super sturdy. And then you pull it. And again, it has the ears that go in the factory channels inside the panels here and just sits right in. And it fits flush when you close the hatch. There's even room just like it is, so you can recline the second row seats if you want, just like the OEM ones do. You can do this and recline the seats. It doesn't impede that at all. It goes all the way back. And then what's nice too, say you want to put some jackets or coats on top of this cover, it's sturdy enough for that, so you don't have to put your jacket in the cargo area and get dirt. I've done that before, and then they get all dirty depending on what you haul in there. So you can just rest them right on top as well. Then you have that cubby underneath. Really nice design. Like I said, it's a nice finish. If you spill something, it'll repel it. Super sturdy. And like I said, you can easily rest stuff on here, like jackets and coats, so you can keep them off the floor here. I've always liked these. And like I said, if you have to haul something bigger where that would impede it, you just pull the bar to the left, and then it pops right out, and then you can store it, whatever you need to do. But really nice design. Like I said, save yourself some money. Does the same exact thing as the Honda one. I'll put a link in the description, guys. If you would like to pick one of these up, I'd highly recommend it. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.